Represent app for program assignment 2C. So right here I have the main screens for both the mobile and where. And so what I can do is enter my zip code, which is my home zip code in Florida. And what the API will do is it'll get the information from the Sunlight API and put it in this view right here with the representative, Marco Rubio, senators, Bill Nelson, Kirk Lawson. And then based on that information that I got using zip code, latitude, longitude, I made the Google API client up here. And yeah, so based on that, it gets all this information. And I can see on here, I'll go into Bill Nelson to get a more detailed view to see his committee serving, recent bill sponsor. It'll pull up the 2012 election results for Collier County, which is the county that I entered. Shows end of term, all of that. So that's Bill Nelson's information, and now I can go back on here. I can like swipe through on the watch once it loads. Shows Marco Rubio's views. So I can go again. Show Bill Nelson. So based on that, I can hit the details on here, so it'll pull up that as it loads on the phone to show up. Yeah, there we go. So it'll pull up that, and all this information is based on the APIs that I did the best I could to make them work, and unfortunately, I ran into a few bugs, and for some reason my JSON object was null, and I was getting the actual location. I was using the other API, but yeah, so I did the best I could given my circumstances, which I talked to Professor Paulos about, mentioned it to the GSIs, some of them, which is I have post-concussive syndrome, and it's been very, very difficult for me to work on anything school-related, and so this is the best I could. This is what everything is supposed to look like. I did make a lot of improvements to my wireframes in terms of visual appeal and like what they were looking for. So yeah, so now I'll go back to, I'll just show you the random shake motion now for the polls, so it gets a random poll. So what I'll do is do the telnet command, sensor set acceleration 1000, and then yeah, so on the watch, that'll pull up Broward County, which has these results for the 2012 election. And then what I can do is sensor set acceleration 0 to stop it. Yep, and then I can just like go back, and yeah, so there we go. All right, so thank you so much for watching, and bye.